Hi there, welcome back to OutlawEdge. This is going to be part 2, maybe part 3, can't remember. But anyway, this will be part 2 or part 3 of the HD card repair. So I'll flip you around, and after the intro I will show you what I'm working on. So, we're back. Now, I've taken the inner wheel well out, as you all know. I'll flip it around and I'll show you what I'm going to be doing, and yeah. So, as you know, this part of the guard is rusted out, and that it's all pitted up through here, and that. So I'm going to cut it out. And that, and I'm going to fold another piece. Now what I've done is I've made a bit of round bar up to go in between, in the back, to give me something to work on, to clamp it to, and that. So it's not that hard of an area to do. So I'll go along and I'll make that up, and I'll show you once it's done. Okay, so I've gone along and I've shaped up one section of the repair, and I've gone along and cut it, clamped it on so that I can cut around where it's got to go. So there it is there, and that I'm going to unclamp it and take the other bit out and then clamp it back on, and I'll show you once I've done. Back in a tick. So there's the new section just clamped in, and that. So I'm just going to go along and I'll probably put a couple of tacks in between here, and then I'll stick one up along the rounded edge here for now. And then what I'll do is I'll go along and I'll make this section here as another section, and that, and then I'll do the same thing. I'll clamp it in, and that, and I'll move it along, clamp it in, and that on that section, and then I'll tack weld it along as well, and then I'll tack this one, the new bit that I make. Oops, sorry for the bad camera work. Tack weld the new section from here onto this new section here, and that. So yeah, so I'll leave you there for now, and I'll get it all cleaned off, and some copper bolt through primer sprayed on it, and then yeah, I'll get into tacking. Okay, so gone along and I've just tacked this section here in, and I've cut this section here out, and that here, and it looks like I need to put another clamp in, so I'll be back in a tick. So cut this bit of here out, and I've semi kind of shaped this bit to go into here, and that, and I'll go along, clean it up, and copper spray it, and we'll tuck that one in too. Okay, so second section is in, and that got a little more to probably do along here. Once I take the round bar out, I'll get in with one of my dollies here up the back when I've trimmed it all down, and then I'll shape that a little bit more. Now we're just going to try and work out how this section here actually goes. So now I'm going to maneuver some stuff around, pull off my left hand guard, Even though it's a HR one, that's a HD one, we might be able to, yeah, can't, because that hasn't got it on there. I've got that right hand section there, so I might just use that. See how it's made off of that. But I'll get my left hand one off and we'll determine this section. I think it comes down to the lip and then comes across, goes down and around and then comes in. So anyway, I'll leave this video where it is. We will conclude this video. I'll do a bit more work and play, and then we will show you on the next video the finished product, and then we'll get on and start trying to make the third section. But anyway, till next time, stay safe, keep your upside down. Cheerio.